In the realm of human interaction, the role of a judge is paramount. It is a position that demands a nuanced understanding of law, an acute sense of justice, and an unwavering commitment to fairness. Whether presiding over a courtroom, evaluating the merit of an argument, or simply navigating the complexities of daily life, the ability to judge effectively is a skill that permeates every facet of our existence. Legal systems around the world rely on judges to interpret and apply the law. These individuals serve as the arbiters of justice, ensuring that the legal framework is upheld and that the rights of individuals are protected. The weight of their decisions can reshape the course of lives, setting precedents that influence future cases and shaping the very fabric of society. To be a judge is to shoulder the responsibility of maintaining order and fairness in the face of the myriad challenges presented by a constantly evolving legal landscape. Beyond the courtroom, the act of judgment is a fundamental aspect of human communication. We are constantly judging and being judged, whether it be in the workplace, within our social circles, or even in our own minds. The ability to make sound judgments requires a combination of cognitive skills, emotional intelligence, and a deep understanding of the context in which decisions are made. It is a delicate balance, requiring individuals to navigate the fine line between subjective biases and objective analysis. In legal settings, judges are expected to be impartial and objective. They must set aside personal biases and preconceptions, basing their decision solely on the evidence presented and the principles of law. This commitment to impartiality is a cornerstone of the justice system, designed to ensure that every individual, regardless of background or status, is treated fairly. The challenge lies in the constant battle against one's own inherent biases, a struggle that extends beyond the courtroom into all aspects of human interaction. The art of judgment is not confined to the legal profession. In our daily lives, we find ourselves making judgments about people, situations, and even ourselves. These judgments shape our perceptions, influencing the way we navigate the world and interact with those around us. The key is to cultivate a discerning mind, one that can sift through the complexities of human behavior and make informed, fair assessments. The concept of judgment extends beyond the individual to societal structures and institutions. We judge the efficacy of government policies, the fairness of economic systems, and the impact of cultural norms on our lives. In doing so, we contribute to the collective judgment that shapes the trajectory of society. It is a responsibility that requires not only critical thinking but also a sense of empathy and a commitment to the greater good. In the realm of interpersonal relationships, the ability to judge character is a valuable skill. We assess the trustworthiness of friends, colleagues, and potential partners, making decisions that impact the course of our personal lives. The delicate dance of judgment and trust is a constant negotiation, requiring a delicate balance between skepticism and openness. However, the act of judgment is not without its pitfalls. It is a double-edged sword that, if wielded carelessly, can lead to prejudice, discrimination, and injustice. The history of humanity is riddled with instances where faulty judgment has resulted in grave consequences, from societal inequalities to egregious human rights abuses. Learning from these mistakes is crucial in honing the skill of judgment, emphasizing the need for continuous self-reflection and a commitment to growth. The complexities of judgment are magnified in an era of rapid technological advancement. The digital age has ushered in new challenges and opportunities, transforming the way we communicate and access information. Social media platforms, in particular, have become arenas for public judgment, where individuals are both judge and jury in the court of public opinion. The consequences of these judgments, often made hastily and without full context, can be profound, impacting reputations and livelihoods. Navigating this digital landscape requires a heightened sense of discernment. The deluge of information, coupled with the speed at which it spreads, demands a judicious approach to media consumption. The ability to separate fact from fiction, to discern between credible sources and misinformation, is a skill that has become increasingly vital in the modern age. In this context, the responsibility to judge extends beyond individual interactions to the societal level, shaping the narratives that define our shared reality. The education system plays a pivotal role in shaping individuals' capacity for judgment. It is in the classrooms that students are introduced to critical thinking skills, ethical considerations, and the principles of justice. The curriculum, the teaching methodologies, and the overall ethos of educational institutions contribute to the development of a generation capable of making informed and responsible judgments. The globalized nature of our world further emphasizes the interconnectedness of judgment. As societies become more diverse and interconnected, the ability to navigate cultural nuances and appreciate different perspectives becomes essential. Judges, whether in legal settings or in the court of public opinion, must be attuned to the complexities of a multicultural world, recognizing the inherent biases that may arise and striving for fairness in their decisions. In conclusion, the concept of judgment is a multifaceted and pervasive aspect of the human experience. Whether in the hallowed halls of a courtroom or in the everyday interactions that define our lives, the ability to judge shapes our perceptions, decisions, and the very fabric of society. It is a skill that demands continuous refinement, self-awareness, and a commitment to the principles of fairness and justice. In a world that is constantly evolving, the role of the judge remains a linchpin in the quest for a more equitable and harmonious existence.